Oops, we missed something. See right there. We missed something right there. Oh, we have to go back. Doop-de-doo. Sorry. I know everybody loves backtracking. And I don't know how I missed this. There we go. We need that. Stupid, whatever the hell these things are. Well, they're not as bad as owls. God. Owls. The Thunar Mulchner deals 3d6 damage, cast Roaring Column of Lightning Wild. Okay, I'll just kind of put that there. No, this way, yeah. Anything else? Healing. Okay, one of these. Dink. Another one of those. Okay, now we are definitely done with this floor. I'm pretty sure. Okay. Now we're gonna go upstairs. Dum-dum, because we got that key. Dum-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum. Into this portal, down this way. Grab our key. Open door. Fight owls. Oh my god. Owls. So many owls. So fatigued. Okay. Heal up. And get ready to fight hundreds more owls. I don't think there's quite as an annoying enemy as this. There's so many! Oh my god! to heal. So hard to kill. So hard to hit. Some of these. Nom nom nom. Okay, which way? Go that way, that way, that way. I think I'm gonna go this way first. Sacred Cipher. What's that do? Okay. So the Sacred Cipher is Oracle Tears. Okay, I bet there's tons of... no owls. Oh, there's another soul house. And more owls. More owl. Man, these things suck. Okay. There's another iron mark. Symbol of flesh. That our bag with all the other symbol of flesh. That's the mana altar. Okay, now we're done. We have to go upstairs. We got our second iron mark, so we can get all the way to the top now. But first, we should probably recover our strength a little bit and get a weapon level. I want to get a weapon level. Yeah, boulder's coming towards me. Whoop. Yeep. Okay, let's pop out of here for a second. Woohoo! Fire. While I'm out here, I think I'm gonna take a look around. Aha! What's this?
That waterfall may be the last symbol of life in this place.
Let's go in. And this is the Waterfall Hidden Cave. Save. Don't worry, this is just a very, very short detour. I actually found this on accident while I was Ustreaming to someone. I was just wandering around randomly and I found this this hidden area.